Are you tired of spending hours crafting product reviews? Looking for a tool that can automate this tedious task without sacrificing quality? Could AI be the solution you've been waiting for? In this video, we'll be reviewing Quillaio, a groundbreaking AI-powered product solution for 2024. To kick things off, we'll give you an overview of what Quillaio offers and dive into the nuts and bolts of how it works. But first, what exactly is Quillaio? Simply put, it's an AI-driven platform that automatically generates detailed product reviews based on the information you provide. It's designed for online marketers, bloggers, and e-commerce business owners who need high-quality content at scale. Starting with Quillaio is incredibly simple. After signing up, you select your product category, input key details about the product, and in minutes, Quillaio delivers a polished review. It's intuitive, even for beginners, and offers a seamless experience from start to finish. Now, let's talk about features. Quillaio allows for complete customization of your reviews. You can adjust the tone, length, and style, making it adaptable to your brand's voice. It even has built-in SEO capabilities, ensuring your reviews rank well in search engines. What really sets Quillaio apart is its versatility, supporting various industries and content formats, from blog posts to video scripts. When it comes to pros, the time-saving element is a major win. Automating reviews means you can focus on growing your business rather than content production. Plus, its flexibility and SEO optimization make it a powerful tool for marketers looking to enhance their content strategy. On the downside, some of the AI-generated reviews may feel generic, requiring further tweaks to add a personal touch. Additionally, Quillaio currently supports only a limited number of languages, which could be a drawback for those operating in non-supported regions. Why are AI-powered product reviews such a game-changer for online marketers? Simple, they allow for scalable content creation. With tools like Quillaio, you can produce content that's not only engaging but also optimized for search engines, all without dedicating hours of manual labor. This frees up time for more strategic tasks, such as audience engagement and business development. So who should buy Quillaio? If you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, or e-commerce store owner looking to automate your review process, Quillaio is an excellent fit. It's designed for anyone who wants to produce consistent, high-quality content while saving time. As for pricing, Quillaio offers a front-end package starting at $47, but if you're looking for advanced features like enhanced customization or multi-language support, you can explore the Auto's one-time offers or bundles for additional value. In conclusion, Quillaio is a must-have tool for marketers aiming to streamline their content creation process. While it has a few limitations, the pros easily outweigh the cons, making it a smart investment for those serious about scaling their online presence. If you want to take your product reviews to the next level, Quillaio is definitely worth a look. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on pricing and special bundles.